So my PC has 16GB RAM, and from the past couple of days I was feeling it insufficient. So I was using multiple softwares simultaneously. So my PC's RAM was insufficient. So I purchased this. So this is a 16GB RAM, guys. So this is an additional 16GB RAM. So if you are interested in this topic, then watch the entire video. So what we are doing, we are upgrading this computer to 32GB RAM. Has the performance increased after upgrading it to 32GB RAM, or is it the same as 16GB RAM? So let's find out.
So this is a RAM stick, guys. So let's cut the seal and open it. Each RAM size is 8 gigs, so the total RAM size will be 16 gigs. So this RAM looks premium and it has some good look, so it's perfect for gaming setups. So let's install these sticks into the motherboard, and also installation must be done at your own risk. We are not responsible for any damages.
So one thing you should definitely keep in your mind while upgrading the RAM is always buy the same RAM stick. So the current RAM which I am using is from XPG. So it is a DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, and these two sticks also has the same specification. So you should always match the specification of your RAM and then purchase it, because if you add incompatible RAM, your computer won't work.
So this is a 5-minute 4K clip edited on Premiere Pro. So let's export it and compare their rendering time. Definitely the editing experience was smooth in 32 gigs of RAM. So very less lags and very less stutters. So yeah, 32 gigs is faster than 16 gigs of RAM. So this is GTA 5 running in 1080p low preset. So if you compare it side by side, obviously 32 gigs of RAM is providing more FPS than 16 gigs of RAM. So the difference is not huge, but still for gaming it matters a lot. So we are getting some 5 to 10 extra FPS in 32 gigs of RAM compared to 16 gigs of RAM. So it's quite good, guys. So this is Forza Horizon 5 in 1080p very low preset, and here also the same case. We are getting more FPS in 32 gigs of RAM, like 5 FPS more in this game. So yeah, the experience was smooth and amazing.
And these two sticks costed 3,500 rupees. If you want the same RAM sticks, you can buy from Amazon also. I bought it from offline stores. Hit that like button. So that's all about it, guys. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.